Okay, we're going to cover um, how to fork and how to get the branches of a repo for the Redux examples. There's always a lot of confusion on this, and it can be a big time waster if you have to go look for Stack Overflow posts. Okay, so there's a lot of different versions of Redux. The most recent one is here. It's called Redux Essentials Example App, and it's at this URL here. Um, it's at this official URL here. As the first step is to fork the repo. Once you fork this repo, it'll be available in your GitHub repo like this. And you'll see the master, but you won't see the branches. Whereas in the original, you'll see the master and you'll see all the branches. And so to clone this, use the fork, get the address, and clone it to your desktop or your working environment or your dev environment. And you'll end up with a same name directory. Um, and you won't, when you do git branch -r, you won't see all the branches that exist in the version that you forked from. And so the easiest way to do that is to install um, GitHub a desktop and add the repository that you just cloned from your own repo. And once you add that repository, um, click this button called Fetch Origin. And it'll say never fetched when you do it the first time. And so when you click this, it'll download all the branches. And once you get all the branches, when you do git branch -r, it'll show all these branches with the name upstream appended to them. And then you could do checkout to each one of these, and you can have a working point or a starting point that correlates to what's in all the different videos when they say check out this branch. And this holds for the front end masters courses too. When you get all the branches, it's easier just to use GitHub desktop to use that application. There's a lot of posts on Stack Overflow saying fetch all will work, but that's not necessarily the case. That depends on how the master repo is set up. Okay, thanks.